Hello, viewers and fellow explorers. Welcome to our next part of our journey through the spiritual lands of Rameshwaram. On this channel, we share travel experiences blended with the touch of history and culture from every place we visit. If you enjoy exploring with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more incredible stories and destinations. The Agni Tirtham, located in the Bay of Bengal, just outside the temple, is the most significant where devotees take holy dip to complete their pilgrimage. According to the Skanda Puram, 24 of the 64 holy Tirthams were vital and 22 of them are in this temple. After getting a good room, plan to take bath in Agni Tirtham in the morning, early 3 if you are planning for the darshan of Shesh Nagmani. Bring extra clothes, select the ones which are easy to dry. Watching devotees bathe in the sacred wells and their faces alight with the hope of reverence, I was deeply moved with the power of faith. The temple is not just a structure, it is a living entity, pulsating with the prayers and aspiration of those who come here. Standing in the Agni Tirtham with the waves of Bay of Bengal crashing gently, I felt the connection with the timeless spiritual purity. Bathing in the Agni Tirtham towards the north gate entry of Rameshwaram temple is considered to be the special importance. Bathing here also liberates one from many sins and diseases. According to beliefs, you can start early in the morning. After the Nagmani Darshan and the Sita Ma Devi Shrine Darshan, you can go for 22 Tirthams wells which are inside the temple premises. All have the unique taste, temperature and curative properties. An interesting fact, it is said that the Tirthams were dug by Lord Rama's arrow which pierced the sand and dug the graves. When you enter the temple, find your way to the queue for bathing in 22 Tirthams. Take a ticket, special or the normal one. Expect crowds depending on the time and the day you are planning to visit. It is very refreshing event experience, especially if you have visited this early morning. Each of them has different names, significance, relevance, temperature and importance in Hindu history. After bathing in Tirtham, the heartfelt devotees join inside towards the various temples and houses of gods inside the temple. There is no end to the euphoria you feel when you visit and witness the Dravidian style structure from its interior to its exterior. Every little and giant intricate sculpture. You start to wonder how this was even possible. There is more to uncover in mystical lands of Rameshwaram. Make sure to watch the other parts of this video to complete your tour and guide of your Rameshwaram trip. Till that, take care and thanks for watching.